Hey, what is up, Questers? Now it is time for the moment a lot of you have been waiting for. Let me first say that I love the community. Thank you all for subscribing to the channel, for entering the contest. I wish desperately I could give a Quest 2 to everyone that entered, but unfortunately that's just not feasible. So, who is the winner of the Quest 2? Before I tell you, let me also tell you that next month is what I'm calling Quest Giving. I'm not going to go into detail on exactly what Quest Giving is just yet because I want it to be a surprise. But let me just say there's going to be a lot of fun things happening next month, and I want to give back to the community in the best way I know how and try to thank you all for being so supportive and so amazing all month long. Thank you so much for all of the support. Everyone has been awesome. The winner of this Quest 2 giveaway, which includes additional accessories like an Elite strap as soon as they become available again. The Quest 2, I'm going to include a headset stand, some games, other random accessories. It's going to include a lot of fun stuff. It's going to get you up and going for sure with the Quest 2. And the winner is John Robnet. John Robnet, congratulations on winning the Quest 2 bundle. Thank you so much for entering and supporting the channel. I will be emailing you shortly to get your information and get everything rolling so you can get your Quest 2 and all of the accessories. Thank you all for entering. Like I said, I wish that everyone could win. Unfortunately, that's just not feasible, but thank you all for entering. I'm sure there will be chances to win stuff in the near future. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and happy questing.